What's going on YouTube? Welcome to CEO Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Sony WH-1000XM3 noise canceling headphones. Currently you can find these on Amazon for about $350. I will put the link in the description if you are interested in purchasing some of these. So they come in black and then they've also got this silver colorway. Let's go ahead and take these out of the box and show you guys what they look like. So they come with this carrying case. As you can see, the headphones themselves fold up and fit in the case quite nicely. They also come with the cord, so you can use these headphones as corded headphones. They come with the airplane adapter as well as a USB Type-C charging cable. So these take about 3 hours to completely charge, and on a full charge you'll get about 30 hours of playtime. 10 minutes of charge time will get you about 5 hours. So if you only have a little bit of time to charge them up, you can still get 5 hours of playtime on just 10 minutes. So I'll go ahead and hold these up close so you guys can see what they look like. Overall, pretty good combination of plastic as well as leather. Nice little good amount of cushion here on the headband, as well as the ear cups. On the underneath side is where you'll have your ports. If you want to use the cord that comes with them and make them, corded headphones, you'll plug that in there. USB Type-C port right there. And then over here you got your power button as well as your noise cancellation button there. And these are touch sensitive, so all you have to do to play and pause your music is simply double tap on the side of the headphones. If you want to go to the next song, simply swipe forward. If you want to go back to the previous song, simply swipe backward. Increase volume, swipe up. Decrease volume, swipe down. So that's a pretty cool feature with these. So overall, the headphones are lightweight. They do feel good in hand. They feel well constructed, well built, and just like a solid pair of headphones, which is what you'll want for $350. So I'll go ahead and throw these on and show you guys what they look like as you wear them. So overall, the fit with these is very comfortable. I do feel like they look a little bit big when I wear them, but with these headphones, you're not necessarily buying them for the look or the aesthetics. It's more so the noise cancellation as well as the sound quality. Speaking of noise cancellation, these are definitely some of the best noise canceling headphones that I've tried. With the Sony Headphones Connect app, you get amazing control over these headphones. You can control exactly how much ambient noise you want the headphones to take in with a nice little fader type setup. Now, on the side of the headphones, you can see the microphones right there, which is going to control the level of ambient noise that the headphones are taking in. So what puts these headphones ahead of a lot of other noise canceling headphones is simply the amount of control that you have over the noise cancellation. Many other headphones simply give you a high, low, and off setting for the noise cancellation. Whereas with these, I can control it from 0 all the way to 20 and wherever I want in between. Now, moving on to the sound quality. With the sound quality on these, I was definitely impressed. You get a very nice, well-rounded sound, and also with the app, it gives you EQ control, so you can really tailor the sound to whatever it is that you're looking for. The app also gives you some other controls to play with, where you can make your music sound like it's being played live at a concert or in various other environments, which is something I haven't seen many other headphones offer. So within the app, you can control the location of the sound. So you can set it to come from the left side, the right side, from the rear on this side, or just center, almost like you're in a car, which is, again, is something I haven't seen very many other headphones offer. I found the call quality to be excellent with these as well. Had no issues hearing or being heard while on the phone with these. So to make a long story short, these have to be some of the best noise canceling headphones out there. I mean, the noise cancellation is excellent, the sound quality is excellent, call quality is excellent, the app and the amount of control it gives you over the headphones is excellent. So if you're considering a set of noise canceling headphones and you're shopping around, I would look no further than these headphones right here. So that's going to be it for this video. If the video was helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. Definitely more reviews on the way. Stay tuned. CEO Tech Reviews.